3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, we're Happy Wilson. I'm Thomas.
I'm Juliana. I'm Max.
And I'm Kingston. And we are doing a 2 versus 2 battle. Juliana and Max against me and Kingston.
Now that doesn't seem very fair. 2 big kids.
Yeah.
Let us go!
Max is loading.
Time's up! All
right, who won?
Us. We won 2 battles, but my gun is jammed. This was kind of epic. The last video.
All right, what do you have to say about it?
Oh, leave a like and subscribe to our channel and click the notifications if you want to see more of our cool videos.